can do a lot with the free program. You don't even have to wear makeup. It's great for that. I really was looking CapCut. Do not do this on CapCut. If you want to free up some space on your phone, don't do that if you got projects in CapCut. CapCut crashes again. 3 weeks worth of work gone. I can't edit anymore. I can't upload to CapCut. 75% of people said that CapCut is not working. Major issues, lagging issues, slowing down, lagging, crashing. I have 3 videos that are completely jammed up in CapCut. It's been one heck of a few weeks for me, but I pulled myself up with my shoestraps and found my mistake. Lesson learned, chalked it up. So I got over it. This can't just be me, is it? All right, so it's not just me. I feel bad for others that are struggling with this. What can you do if you're crashing and burning and lagging and losing footage? You want to know more? In the comments below.